Unboxing video! Unboxing video! 2 boxes. Which one should I do first? This is going to be the super cool one. This is going to be the cool one.
Do the cool one.
The cool one first.
What is that you're using?
This is the Recon 1 Triad Lock Smooth G10. Oh yeah. This is going to be the new SRK. And what still does that say?
3V.
3V SRK.
That's almost like a fall niven.
So, probably better.
Probably better.
Because the fall niven's going to be the...
Same.
Yeah.
I just think it's funny how they kind of look similar.
Yeah. Ooh, has grease on it. Feels sharp. Seems very good in hand. So CPM 3V, made in Taiwan, so this is not the Italian edition. Feels pretty sharp. And it is pretty darn sharp. Shaving some hair. And yeah, seems a lot stouter, and the blade seems a lot thicker. The grind seems a lot thicker than the SK5. And oh wow, huh? It's kind of sharp up there.
Does it have a false edge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's very interesting. I don't see any paper, but anyways, very cool. Let's open up a cool knife. Oh wow. Ooh, that's scary.
Yeah, that is scary. I didn't do that.
Ooh, that's scary. Ooh.
Let's look at the box.
An old school Ti-lite. And you notice I did not have to cut open the box. And let me tell you, this was very expensive. And so that is scary. And look, anodized handle Ti-lite. What do we have here? What do we... Ooh. Oh my goodness. That is insanely beautiful. Wow.
What's the play lock?
It's solid. Does look like it has some gunk on the blade. The blade is highly polished. Wow, look inside there. That
Kind of
is
iridescent.
the Ti-lite of Ti-lites right there. So this is the titanium Ti-lite, and this is the anodized handle. You see the pocket clip is also anodized as well. This is made in Japan. Old school stuff right here. And so, man, that is pretty. In my opinion, that is the Ti-lite of Ti-lites.
You can see me in the camera.
So, that is absolutely insane. I love that. This is really nostalgic for me and my brother, because we were first introduced to cold steel with a Ti-lite, and that was his first knife that he got. And when we got the first DVD that we ever watched from Cold Steel, it was Solid Proof. And when you watch Solid Proof, this is the first product that comes out. Well, this is the first Ti-lite that comes out, is this anodized blue one, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So there it is. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.